Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check how much mobile data you have used. Whether you are trying to save data or just want to keep track of your usage, this trick is perfect. So let's get started. First, open your phone settings and then scroll down and then tap on network and internet, or it might say connections. It's just depending on your phone. Just tap it, then tap on data usage like this. But since every phone may have a slightly different layout, you can also simply type data usage in the settings search bar. Data usage like this. In this way you will find the page more easily. Just tap it again, and on the screen you will see exactly how much data you have used in this month. You can also see which apps are using the most data. Just tap on mobile data usage, this one. And see, in my case, most of my data is used on hotspot tethering and YouTube. And in these settings, you can also set a data limit or a warning to help avoid overusage. Just tap on billing cycles and data warning like this. In here you can set the data warning. Just turn it on, and you can set a data warning to alert you when you have used a certain amount of data. And you can also set a data limit, which will automatically turn off mobile data when the usage reaches that limit. Okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.